Any more questions?
Hindi. Hindi ko rin dito.
Parang gusto mo na. Sige na, narinig kami. Tinatanong kayo kanina. Sige na. Don't be shy. Ayaw mo sabi, ako na lang magsasabi. Kung ano daw ang difference ng kiss ni John Lloyd.
Yun yan.
Magkaiba. Kasi so, sa magkaiba si Bash, magkaiba si Dara. So, hindi mo kayo compare.
Magkaiba yung sa tumasyon.
So, ikikis ko muna sila ng personal sa team.
So, siguro in closing, can we ask what's next in store for the group? For everyone siguro, are you gonna work together again?
Yun pa rin po ang buhay. May pinikula pa rin po si Bea. Secret kung ano yun.
With John
Wala
Lloyd.
si Sam. Secret kung ano yun. Pero meron po. Direct.
Sa mangyayari sa akin, kukulong na naman sa bahay. No, I'm really an executive for ABS-CBN. I'm a part-time director. I'm really a producer for the network. So I'm going back to until another nice project comes along and papayagan naman ng mga boss ko, maybe I would try to work on another project. Kung bibigyan naman akong set ng maganda, di ba, na SS Fireman's dyan.
Bea ulit.
Yes.
So, one final message na lang siguro for everyone here.
Sana when you watch it, you just try to enjoy the movie. Don't think too much about it, kung ano yung sinasabi. Enjoy nyo lang. Tapos kung magustuhan nyo, please help us spread the word na it's worth the money. So far naman, marami na kaming nakuwang comments na it's worth the money that they paid for. So, tulungan na lang po tayo. Meron tayong version na kailangan harapin. So, pag ano naman, ang tao naman pag sinabi ko, worth watching. Sana matulog din.
First of all, I want to thank all of you, the fans, especially yung the Sam and the fans, MB Mob, and AILYS viewers. Because we know talaga from day one, I understand that we have to go because it's really, we're really overwhelmed by how much you're doing for this movie. We listen to everything. We have listened to everything that you said, and Bex, and the Star Cinema Multiplex, and all of that. So thank you for all of this. Thank you, and thank you for recognizing the people behind. This is the first time I think that this has happened, that the fans organize something like this. This is really something that parang nakaka-touch naman, and they recognize something like that. Pero yun, kaya sabi ko nila, please enjoy the movie and please tell your friends, your family about it kasi I think the word of mouth will really help this movie. So maraming salamat po.
So thank you very much for tasting our glass with me. And to everyone, thank you all for coming in. Bea has a final message.
So, magpasalamat sa lahat ng tao na nagkabalaan mo tonight and nakinig sa mga sinabi namin, mga nagtanong. At gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng fans na nag-conduct nitong event na to. Thank you so much. At sa mga And I Love You So believers, sa Sam and Pete, mga fans, maraming salamat. Sa mga naka-appreciate itong pelikula na to, sa mga manonood pa na ngayon for the first time, please, this is me na try to appreciate the movie dahil pinaghirapan po namin ito.
So, as a final, Riren, would you like to introduce the movie?
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you isang trabaho pinagkalaban namin since last year. personally, I'm very proud of this project. I feel Bea and Sam has really come to a point na kaya nila magdala ng pelikula. And this will start a career na more challenging roles sa mabibigay. I'm sure of that, mabibigay kay Bea at kay Sam. So, I hope you enjoy it and leave it to everyone.
Thank you very much. We would just like to remind everyone, the photos and the videos stop now. We will not. Please keep your cameras and your video cams ready. Thank you.